Twaheana ngerenwa ya agents arĩa matũreheire wĩra ta Direct Line Assurance Company, magatuhe wĩra mũingĩ na ma support our company.
We are taking people to holidays, have holidays coming up like Valentine, Easter, and we take people all over the world, that is in Kenya and out of Kenya. So we have deals all over our social media pages, our website, and also in our phone. In your phone, you'll find us sharing some packages with you.
Referrals really work magic, because if a client is referred to you, he or she is referred to you because you've done something good to the other client.
This company has been tried, tested, and now trusted.
And Direct Line having gone beyond the motor insurance and being now underwriting the non-motor businesses, then we feel at home and able to underwrite more.
Other agents arĩa matatuhea wĩra moke mahe Direct Line wĩra, tondũ ithuĩ twĩ Kambuni stable, Kambuni ĩrĩhaga claims na Kambuni ĩtakamacaithia.